Hey guys, so Daisy and I are going to do a foot spa with you guys just to show you how easy it is. So we're actually in our tub, but you can get little containers from like Dollar Tree and things like that that just fit your feet in. So if you have several people that are doing a foot spa, maybe a bunch of girls getting together and just hanging out in the living room drinking mimosas, or even little girls having like a girls' day spa, you can use the little bins that are a perfect size for feet. Let me show you what's in our Herbal Foot Kit. It comes with a little towel, which is convenient, and a dual brush. So we're going to talk about this one in a minute for exfoliation, but let's get to the good stuff. So this is a 3-step process, which makes it lots of fun for a spa day. I think they still come in this little convenient little thing. Maybe you can have a seat and I'll show you how it does. Okay. So step 1 is the Herbal Foot Soak. So we're going to start with this one, and I just have some water in our tub. You only need a couple tablespoons, but I'm just going to sprinkle it in. So Daisy's feet can start soaking while we're talking. Just need a couple tablespoons per person, and you just keep your feet in the water for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to dry them before we move on to step 2. But first I wanted to mention some of the ingredients in this. So Epsom salt, of course, has so many health benefits for pulling out, detoxing and things like that. You're going to smell peppermint leaf and spearmint and sage, peppermint oil, spearmint, tea tree, and vitamin E. So lots of good stuff in here, and it smells amazing, and that is our Herbal Foot Soak, step 1. All right, so Daisy's already been soaking for a few minutes, so we'll go ahead and pull her feet out for step 2 to show you guys. So you can leave them in the water right now, because it's okay if your feet are a little damp. I'll give you this towel. So step 2 is the Walnut Foot Scrub. Now you use just a tablespoon of the scrub per foot, and what you're going to do is you will massage it into your heels. All right, so Daisy, I'm going to put some of this in your hands. Probably should have brought a little scooper, but I'm just going to put a little bit in your hand, and you're going to rub it on the ends of your heels just like this. There you go. And what this is going to do is it's going to exfoliate. So the Walnut Foot Scrub has fine sea salt, kale and clay, and walnut hulls, and that is what is creating the exfoliation. So this Walnut Foot Scrub is going to exfoliate the dead skin cells off of the bottoms of your feet. When you get a pedicure, this is what you look most forward to, smoothing out the bottoms of your feet, especially on the heels. Now this is a great time to use your brush. So Daisy, I'll let you use this one too. You see it's got 2 sides. This is going to be your pumice for exfoliation, and then your brush as well.
Is it okay if I put my feet in the water again?
We'll leave that on there because that will give you the exfoliation, but use this. You can rinse your hands off if you need to, and you just rub it just like that, and it's going to exfoliate dead skin cells. Daisy's my daughter, and she's my helper for everything in life. So she deserves a foot spa as much as she's helped. All right, you want to do the other one? Yep.
It's kind of hurt down.
Yep. So you'll just rub it into the edges of your heels.
Can you hold this, please?
Sure thing. I'll put it right here for you.
Because I want to use this.
Yeah. So you'll see a lot of times you want to use it on the bottoms of your heels, on the sides of your feet. So anywhere that's touching the ground often is a little bit thicker. And removing those dead skin cells will prepare it for step number 3 when we go to the balm. And it will, the more that you remove the dead skin cells, the easier it is for nutrients to get to the other layers of the dermis. Whenever you're ready, you just rinse your feet off. And we can rinse the brush off too. Just like that. So you can see how fun this would be if you had several girls. Just rinse them off in the water and then do it.
Mama, I had some on my hands and I put them in the water. Now they feel so soft.
Yes, very soft. Yep, you can easily exfoliate your hands as well. All right, so while you are rinsing off, then I'll have your towels ready. So if you're doing a foot spa with some girlfriends, just have a bunch of washcloths like this, and it'll be the perfect size for them. I'll give you a fresh one here. All right, so you can rinse off. If you need to put your feet back here, you can too, just to get it out of the water. All right, so we are getting ready for step number 3. You can imagine doing this with a bunch of girlfriends. This would be a lot of fun and lots of talking and a lot of excitement of just kind of hanging out and pampering yourselves. So this is normally we take our time moving from step to step, but we'll show you what each of the steps are a little bit quicker. Step number, what are we on, Daisy? Step number 3, that's right, Peppermint Foot Balm. So this is number 3. So if we're doing our Peppermint Foot Balm, what this does is after you have soaked it and exfoliated, now we are keeping it infused with therapeutic elements. So let's talk about what's in it. We have almond oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. You're gonna smell some peppermint essential oil, some tea tree oil, grapefruit seed oil, all good things, all good things. And so, you know, if you're doing this as a spa, you would probably have a little scoop of something, but this one we use personally in our family. So you're gonna put your fingers in there and then you're just gonna rub this. Yes, because you're gonna use it for both feet. There you go. All right, so you're gonna rub this on the bottoms of your feet where we've exfoliated. And now this is something that you would want to do when you have your girls' day. You wanna have socks for everybody. So either have everybody bring their own socks, or if I was doing a girls' day, I'd probably just go, you know, buy a dollar store and pick up some really cute, funny ones even. That would be a great girls' day, is just to have cute little socks that they could take home with them. And so after, yeah, so after they do their foot balm, then they relax and they put their socks on and just let it just nurture their skin. Now this is also a great balm to put on your feet at night before bed. So you would just, after you have cleaned your feet at night, before you get in bed, put your balm on and then put some socks on, and all night it will be nourished. How's it feel, Daisy?
It feels warm and it's slippery.
Warm and smooth, and then she can smell the cooling sensation of the peppermint essential oil. So that's
what it is.
Yep, it's the peppermint oil, that's right. All right, so that is our 1, 2, 3 steps. If you get the Herbal Foot Kit, it will come with your brush and one of the washcloths. And this really is a girl's day in a little box. You will get so many uses out of these. You could do a whole bunch of your girlfriends' little foot spas at home whenever you're able to get together. And in the meantime, do it for yourself too. So this will be a quick, easy way to take care of your feet. And they have literally supported you all day long as you're walking around doing everything that you need to do. And so this is a great way to take care of your feet and support your feet as well. All right, Daisy, thanks for being my model today. All right, guys, thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.
Bye.